Appterix got a zero trust application access, YubiKey management, zero trust storage access, encryption, and also the possibility of zero trust storage access. How does it look like? I will show you. In our application management, you can manage the usage of applications. So you can see in our journal which applications has been used or blocked, and to allow the applications by the global allow lists based on publishers, products, and files. So if the user wants to execute an application which is not allowed, it will be blocked. This is a reference user, so he got the possibility to decide if the application will be blocked or not. If the user got only user rights, the application will be blocked immediately and the user get a pop-up notification. So as you can see here, these applications can be managed by publishers, products, and files. And you can also say, okay, this application is allowed to be used if the user has plugged in his assigned YubiKey. If not, the application will be blocked. And this makes sure that, for example, applications which got no or not enough authentication methods are more secure by the combination with the multi-factor authentication in Appterix. Multi-factor authentication can be managed very easy in our YubiKey management. The YubiKeys can be managed here. If a user plugs in a new YubiKey, then we can see it in our journal. We can see there's a new YubiKey. It will also be shown in the inventory and assigned to the user which is using the YubiKey. So you can get any kind of information about this YubiKey, which interfaces are available, which applications are activated or not. For USB or NFC, you can see the owner certificates and so on. If YubiKey has been lost, you can mark it as lost and you will get a notification if the YubiKey has been plugged in on a computer, and then you can find it more easier. If a YubiKey is outdated, you can block the usage of the YubiKey. For enrollment purposes, we've got the possibility to create enrollment policies. So you can decide how the configuration should look like on the YubiKey of the user. You can set, for example, the PIN, PUC for PIF, for FIDO2, for NFC and USB. You can activate and deactivate the applications. You can import certificates, or you can also use the ADCS functionality, which creates certificates automatically by the connector to the ADCS of your company. And how does it look like on user side? Here on the agent component, you can see YubiKeys. And if the user got a new YubiKey, he can just click on enroll and execute the enrollment, which has been assigned to him. After the enrollment, the user can manage his PIN, PUC management key. He can also reset the PIF, same for FIDO2. So everything in one overview. And if the YubiKey has been lost, the user can also mark it as lost. There are furthermore functionalities like our encryption. So you can store data secure in a crypto container of Appterix, which can be placed on a cloud storage, network share, local folder, or USB drive. And you can also share your data secure by the crypto container of Appterix. So you can add further YubiKeys or passwords, which are also post-quantum resistant. And then you can share your data with your team members or with others. And if you close the crypto container, you can also add further or create further crypto container if, for example, someone would like to share his crypto container with you. And we also got the privacy protection, which makes sure that data collection and data transmission to Microsoft will be blocked, which is a recommendation of the secret services, like the German BSI. And we also got the possibility to manage the usage of removable storages by our Zero Trust storage access. So you can decide which rights will be available for the users to use external storages like USB drives. And if the user, for example, would like to store any kind of data, is not allowed because of this policy, and this access will be blocked by Appterix. So this is Appterix. You have seen it's very easy to be used, to be managed, and have fun with more security measures in your company and more security.